Greetings, RPG Master Sounds creators. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore an essential feature, backup and restore, which allows you to save all your customizations on our servers. This is vital if you get a new device or need to reinstall the app. To use this feature, you will need gems, which you can purchase in the app. By purchasing gems, you help me maintain the app and enable me to develop and improve it so that we can all enjoy it. The app will show you your current gem total at all times, so you don't lose track, and will notify you if you need to purchase new gems. There are 3 costs associated with this process. When the first backup is created, each time an existing backup is updated, and each time a backup is restored. Now, let's see exactly what is included in the backup and what is not. The backup saves your sequences. It also saves your ambience. And of course, it saves your custom sets. It also saves the data from your custom audio files, titles, keywords, and sound type. The backup does not include the custom audio files themselves due to copyright laws. Highly important, your purchased audio packs will be saved, allowing you to enjoy your purchases even on different operating systems. And finally, any custom titles or keywords you have set for your audio tracks will be saved. Okay, let's see how to create your first backup. Your backup will be linked to a unique and anonymous user ID. When you create your first backup, this new ID will be generated automatically. The first step is to go to the settings screen. At the top of the screen, you will see the backup and restore options. As this is the first time you are performing a backup, you will see that you do not yet have an ID assigned. Just below, you will see the number of gems you have available. There are 2 interesting pieces of information, the date of the last backup and the date of the last restore, so you can see when you last performed either of these actions. The next step is to press the backup button, and the process will begin. If gems are required for an action, the app will show you when you need gems, how many gems you have left, and how many gems the current action costs. If all goes well, an ID will be generated and will be visible and available for you to copy. It is extremely important that you keep this ID in a safe place, as it cannot be recovered if lost. You will need this ID to restore your data to a new device or after reinstalling the app. Once this ID is generated, it will be your permanent identifier for your backups. If you make changes to your customizations and want to save them, simply update your backup. When you create a backup, it overwrites any previous versions you have saved on the server. In other words, the previous version is lost, and the new one is copied. Tap the Backup button to start the process of updating the existing copy on the server with your current data in the app. The process will begin, and you will have your updated copy ready to be restored at any time and on any device. If, while customizing the app, you have deleted, changed, or modified something that you want to recover, you can restore the latest backup and return to the starting point. To restore a previous backup, go to the Settings screen. Once on the Settings screen, at the top of the screen, you will see that you have an ID assigned to you, which means that a previous backup is available on the server. Click the Restore button, and the restoration process will begin. To restore your data to a new device, or if you have reinstalled the app, you will need to enter your backup ID and confirm the process. It is crucial to understand that when you restore a backup, everything you currently have in the app will be deleted and overwritten with the data from the backup stored on the server. This action cannot be undone. Once you have copied the ID, press the Restore button, and the restoration process will begin. When it is finished, you will have all the data from the restored backup corresponding to the ID you entered on your device. Remember, if the backup contained custom audio file data, you will need to go to the Your Files screen and upload the corresponding file for each audio file from your current device. And that's it. The backup and restore functionality gives you peace of mind that your creations are safe. Happy creating, and see you on the next adventure.